Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the physical basics so you don't chase software ghosts. First, inspect the cable and port. HDMI versus display port matters because each supports different max resolutions and refresh rates. Once done, confirm the monitor's specs on the label or menu. Make sure it advertises the resolution you want. While the machine is off, reseat the cable and, if possible, swap ports or try a spare cable to rule out a bad connector or bent pin. You next change system settings so the OS and monitor agree. On your computer, open display settings and pick the target monitor. Choosing the wrong display will show no change. Then select the recommended resolution or the exact value your monitor supports and adjust scaling if text looks too large. After that, set the refresh rate to a supported number and apply changes if the screen flickers or goes blank. Wait, most systems revert in 15 seconds to prevent lockout. You finish by aligning software with hardware so the resolution sticks. Update the GPU driver from the vendor to ensure proper resolution support. Device managers sometimes show a generic display otherwise. If needed, install the monitor driver or load edit information and create a custom resolution only when necessary. Do this in the driver control panel. If problems persist, try a different cable or port and boot into safe mode to uninstall faulty drivers, then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.